Hey lovelies, welcome back to the channel. If today is your first time of stopping by, please take some seconds and hit the subscribe button down below so you can join the family, okay? And thank you as you do that. So, are you having problem with your face? Are you having wrinkles? Are you having rough face? Are you having dry face? Are you having, black spots? Are you having hyperpigmentations? In today's video, I'll be showing you the face mask you can prepare at home with just 2 ingredients that can help to smoothen your face, tighten your face, fade away wrinkles, and give you that youthful glow. In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can prepare that face mask, okay, using just 3 ingredients, but the main ingredient is just using lemon and egg. So I'll be introducing to you guys another 1 ingredient you have to use to prepare the face mask, okay? So without much talk, let's get right into the kitchen. Let me show you guys how you can actually prepare the face mask. So let's get right into it. So to prepare the face mask, you get a clean plate. In that plate, you go ahead and add 2 tablespoons of rice flour. If you don't have, you can prepare your own at home. And how do you do that? You get rice, wash the rice, sun dry it, then blend and sieve. After that, you have your own rice flour, or you can buy from the market, okay? So guys, we'll be using rice flour because studies have shown that rice flour has an anti-inflammatory and the antioxidant substances that help prevent the skin from aging, reduce the harmful effects of UV rays, and promote skin lightening. So that's why rice flour is essential for this treatment. So the next thing to add is egg. We are going to be adding both the egg white and the egg yolk. Egg contains lutein, which enhances the skin moisture and the suppleness. It also contains a protein, which helps to rejuvenate and tighten the skin. Egg yolks are perfect for boosting the radiance of your skin complexion, since they are high in fatty acid. So egg is very good when it comes to rejuvenating and demoisturizing your skin. So the next one here is lemon. We are going to be using lemon for this. Lemon juice can help to prevent blemishes and blackheads. They also help to reduce the size of your pores, making your skin look clear, smooth and fresh. Because of the astringent properties of lemon juice, it helps to lighten the skin. Yes, that's why we are going to be adding lemon juice to this treatment. Go ahead and add as much as possible as to make the consistency not so thick, okay? As you add, you stir it. If you don't have lemon, the next option is apple cider vinegar. Yes, you can use apple cider vinegar if you don't have lemon, okay? So now you go ahead and mix it well. Mix properly until everything combines properly. So this is it. I'm done mixing it. I'm done. I'll go ahead and show you guys how you can actually use this to treat your face problems. So guys, here I have the treatment with me. Here is it. Did you see? I have the treatment with me here. So I'll go ahead and apply it on my face. My face is already washed. You all can see my face is already washed, so I'll go ahead and apply it on my face. Before applying it, please make sure you wash your face, okay? So now I'll go ahead with this brush. I'll go ahead and take some of it, then I'll apply it on my face. Like I said, this will help to fade away wrinkles, tighten your face. It will help to tighten your face, you know. You are not old yet, but your face is already having fine lines, you know. You're already having a saggy face. Please try using this. Try using this consistently for 1 month, and I promise you will see a great result. So apply it on your face. Be generous with it. Avoid your eye areas because there is lemon in it, so it shouldn't enter your eye. Otherwise, It's not going to be funny if it enters your eyes. So prevent it from entering your eyes, please. So after applying it on your face, you allow it to dry. Allow it to stay on your face for about 40 minutes. Although depending on how long you can wait, but always let it sit at least 30 minutes. Let it dry up. Okay, when it dries up, then you can go ahead and wash it off with warm water. After washing it off with warm water, observe your face. Just look your face. You will notice a shrinkage, like your face you will feel some kind of tightening on your face. The egg yolk and the egg white will help to tighten your face, will help to bind your face together, reducing fine lines, reducing wrinkles. The 3 ingredients we used in preparing it will help you to get rid of wrinkles, get rid of fine lines, tighten your face, give you that youthful glow. Okay, so please try it. Like I said, consistently try it for a month, and trust me, you will see a great change. Okay, some of you will just try DIY for once or twice and you will start complaining that it doesn't work. Come on, DIY doesn't work that fast. You know, there's no chemical in these things. All the things we used are natural things we got from the kitchen. So you don't expect it to work fast because there's no catalyst in it. You didn't put any chemical that will help hasten the reaction, that will help hasten the effect. So don't expect it to work like this, okay? Give it a time. Consistently use this for 1 month and I promise you will see a great change on your face. Okay, so use this in the night. After using it, wash it off once it dries up, then apply your face moisturizer and you're good to go. Your face moisturizer, you must have it. Some of you will say, what if I don't have a face moisturizer? I know you as a lady, you as a man, in fact anybody, you're supposed to have a face cream. If you don't have a face moisturizer, apply your face cream. Any cream you know that you use on your face, please do apply it. After washing it off, don't leave your face dry. Don't leave your face dry. Leaving your face dry or your hands dry or your elbow dry will always leave your skin prone to breakouts. Yes, leaving your skin dry will always make your skin to break out, you know, all that. So you don't want that for yourself. After washing it off, please do apply your face moisturizer or any cream you're using on your face. Okay, thank you guys for watching. I will wait for 40 minutes and after 40 minutes I will go ahead and wash this off and apply my face moisturizer. Okay guys, I will see you all in my next one. For those of you always asking which face moisturizer I use Cetaphil face moisturizer. I will leave it on the screen. Okay, that's what I use and it's good to my skin. So you can find one that is suitable to your skin and start using it. It's not a must you will use Cetaphil. Okay, there are many products out there. You can get one for yourself. Okay, if you have an oily face, get one that doesn't contain oil. If you have a dry face, get the one that contains oil. Okay, so that is it for today guys. I will see you all in my next one. Please do remember to hit the subscribe button if you haven't done so. Okay, thank you all for watching and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed watching it, and also please share this video. I am begging you, please share this video and I will see you all in my next one. Bye bye.